Hi, this is VisiPro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete app on Android. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. If you're running out of storage on your Android device, you may be wondering how to delete app from your phone. Deleting an app is an easy task that doesn't take much time. In this video, I will show you how to uninstall app from your Android phone. So simple. So first, you can just delete your apps on your phone by tap on hold on the app and tap the info icon here, and you'll find there is an option uninstall. But you can also delete app from your settings. You can open your settings on your phone. Now you can just scroll down. You can go to app section, tap on app, tap on manage app. You can just search for the app that you want to delete, or just this one for example. Before you uninstall, you can just delete all the data of this app by tap on the clear data, tap on clear all data, tap on OK, and then you can just uninstall. Tap on OK. So that app has been successfully deleted from your phone. So simple, right? So that is how to delete app on your Android phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.